Hello everyone, this video we see how to solve the Amazon temporarily locked account issue. First open your browser and type amazon.com and search bar once you're on this page and simply enter your password. After that enter your email address and then click on continue button next, and you need to enter this letter and or number, and here once click continue. Now to complete the verification step, just type your one-time password over here. Simply click on the continue button, and here you can choose the issue or reason why your account blocked, and now why your account was locked temporarily, and choose the right option here. However, if you are not sure, and then you can click the something option. After that, your temporary locked your Amazon account will be resolved. If you found guys this video helpful, then comment, like, share this video for more content.